welcome back to my channel. Today I have a delivery from Glamierre. So I have an unboxing haul, so I'm so super excited to unbox this. I got this package today. It's in this beautiful gold wrapping. I think it's so beautiful. So excited. So I have a few goodies in here. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff and I was like, I just want to share it. So I've been wanting this for ages. This is the Warm Sunset palette and it is just amazing. I'm like, it's so pretty. And then dun 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 dun. Ah. Look at how freaking beautiful this is. Look how pretty. I'm like, I can't wait to try all of these and take photos of it. Like, it's such a freaking pretty palette. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna swatch like this red shade here and just see. Pretty good swatch. I just gotta put this back on it. And then we can move on to the next one, because I was like, you know, I've been wanting this palette for ages. Get this palette. I'm like, oh my god, there's so much packaging, guys. So much packaging. So that is the Warm Sunset palette. So I'll put her here. And then what else did I use? I'm so excited for this. This beautiful bad boy is the highlighting palette. And it is so beautiful. Like, check this out. Oh my god. I think the packaging itself is so cute with the pink and the yellow underneath. I think that's a really cute, like, array. It's just really beautiful. I really want to swatch this one. I'm just like, oh my god, it feels so buttery. Look at that. Look at those swatches. I'm just like, girl. I'm like, I can't wait to delve into this. Like, it's just such a cute and pretty palette. Like, it's just so pretty, and it's got all the ingredients on the back, so we're gonna dive into that if you guys want. And then last but not least, in my unboxing, I have the Island Babe palette. I'm so freaking excited. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm loving the pink together with the green. It's just so beautiful. This is just a beautifully aesthetically pleasing palette. It's just so super pretty. Glamierre is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and I stand their products harder. I have a nice mirror there. And then look at these gorgeous shades. I'm just like, yes. Oh my god, let's swatch this glitter. I've had problems with the glitter in the past, but it's actually not that bad for the glitter there, so I'm not that mad at that one. And these shades are just like so funny. Tangerine. Finally, Tangerine is freaking orange. Do you remember how Tangerine and that other one was like brown? And then there's all of these other beautiful colors like Bora Bora. That color is such, I'm like, I'm just gonna swatch her here and just see. It's such a beautiful blue. I'm just like, oh my god, I love. And then this green, Nature. Oh my god. I cannot wait to dive into this palette. Yeah, so I just thought I would come here, show you guys the palettes that I was getting, because I want you guys to tell me what I should really be, you know, showing on my channel. Because, yeah, I really wanted the Island Babe palette, and it's beautiful. So pretty. And then the Sun-Kissed highlighter. And the Warm Sunset palette. So yeah, there's all the stuff that I got from Glamierre. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe where the subscribe box is. And if you guys have brought anything from Glamierre, comment down below what your favorite thing is and what did you like out of this. Like, the packaging in this just kills me. It's just so freaking pretty. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!